Good afternoon. This is a weekly chart of the S&P, and last week's action that you can see on that bar really didn't tell the whole story of how volatile the market was. So what do we see here at the moment? Well, it doesn't want to go up, but you know, at the moment the market is still holding on to some good support. Win on the weekly chart, you can see it down here at 2864. You've got it here again, 2866. That really is the area that we're going to be looking at this afternoon and for the rest of the week. But there isn't much I can show you on the weekly chart because they're so long term. You can't really get the intraday moves that we've seen. You can see along here that we've been flatlining at severe overbought areas, and we've just last week gone into it could be a correction. So let's have a quick look at the daily. Now the reason the daily PIV isn't showing up on this chart is because it's exactly the same place as the weekly one. I don't know how, but it is. And this shows you more really about what the market did. You can see here clearly the market double topped. It went down, it held this, it went up again. We couldn't break the 29.40. We know people were short up there, and down we came. Now all we've done is we've reached the 38.2. Yes, we've broken the uptrend. Yes, we were below both of the short-term moving averages we use, so the 9 and 21. We are below them. They're coming in at 29.05 and 29.12, and you've got the 23.6 at 29.06. So really it's more a case of, is that 38.2 going to hold? Let's take a closer look. Now at the moment it has held, and we're currently trading pre-open at 28.82. So we are below the weekly pivot point, and we really do need to stay there. Now markets do come up and test this area. They like doing that. So you know, there isn't any reason why the S&P shouldn't test that 28.87 area in the cash open, and you know, would be quite nice if it could break above it. If you look at our indicators, you can see that we were, when I was like leaping up and down with divergence, we were diverging as we went up on this last little leg. And these are the type of things you want to look out for. You know, a double top is a double top, divergence is divergence, and you know, target areas are target areas also. And I did think it was going to go to 2883. I didn't think it was going to do one night, but it certainly did. And then on Friday we carried on going lower. So for today, I think that 28.69 is going to hold. I think it'll be quite dangerous if it broke, because the next real big level you'd be looking at would be 28.10, which is around here, and also these little levels down here at 27.95. You can see that. Okay, so all to play for, to keeping it buoyant, and let's just see how we go. Let's see how we go today, and we'll have more of a better idea tomorrow.